What's your advice for future students who want to planning to join VIT?
VIT.
Work for fees you pay?
See, the fees is too much.
Too much.
It's a private engineering college.
So what's the average placement package like your department?
I'm from electronics, so this time average is.
What's the one thing you want to change or improve VIT Chennai? Hello everyone, I'm Suman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology, India's top private university. Every year VIT engineering course kaha VIT EEE exam 2.5 lakh students இந்த யூனிவர்சிட்டிக்காக அப்ளிகேஷன் போடுறாங்க. VITக்கு ஓவராலாக 4 கேம்பஸ் இருக்குது இன்ஜினியரிங் ஆஃபர் பண்ணுறதுல. நம்பர் 1 VIT வெல்லூர் மெயின் கேம்பஸ் அண்ட் நம்பர் 2 VIT சென்னை 2010 எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணப்பட்டது. நம்பர் 3 VIT அமராவதி, நம்பர் 4 VIT போபால். இந்தியா ஃபுல்லாக எல்லா சிட்டிலையுமே இருந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் VIT சூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. போது NIRFல 11th ரேங்கில் இருக்குது. அதோட பிளேஸ்மெண்ட்டை பொறுத்தவரையில் ஹையஸ்ட் பேக்கேஜாக 88 லேக்ல இருந்து 1 crore வரைக்கும் பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் கொடுத்துருங்க. ஆவரேஜ் பேக்கேஜாக 9 lakh பெர் ஆனமாக இருக்குது. VITயோட ஃபீஸ் ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை பார்க்கும்போது கேட்டகரி 1ல் 2 lakh ஃபீஸும் அண்ட் கேட்டகரி 5ல் 5 lakh வரைக்கும் ஃபீஸ் சார்ஜ் பண்ணுறாங்க. தென் ஹாஸ்டல் எல்லாத்தையுமே சேர்த்து ஸோ ஒரு எக்ஸ்பென்சிவான ஒரு ஃபீஸ் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்னா 29 lakh வரைக்கும் இருக்குது. அந்த மினிமமாக 13 lakh வரைக்குமே. ஸோ அவங்களுடைய ரேங்கை பொறுத்து இந்த ஃபீஸ் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இப்படி இருக்கும்போது இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே VIT யூனிவர்சிட்டி ஒர்த்தாக இருக்கும். ஹாஸ்டல் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் அண்ட் இங்கே இருக்க லேப்ஸ், ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி, டீச்சிங், இது எல்லாமே ஓவராலாக எல்லாமே எப்படி இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறது ரியலாக ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ணுறாங்கிறத ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ரிவ்யூ இந்த வீடியோ பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க போகலாம், லெட்ஸ் கெட் இன்டு தி வீடியோ.
I'm attending VIT Institute of Technology.
Also attending VIT.
What's your major and which year are you studying here?
I'm in 3rd year and I'm studying, my degree is BTech in Computer Science Engineering, which is CSE core. That is my branch.
I'm also a 3rd year BTech student doing Computer Science Engineering in specialization in AI and ML.
Okay, so why did you choose VIT over other colleges?
Because the opportunities here is no doubt very good, plus the education is very good, and plus the placement and all of this college is nice.
Okay.
Mostly because of the placements, it's one of the best private engineering colleges. Those placements are really good and it is also, it is known for its computer science, which is the predominantly hiring field right now.
So how prestigious is this college in India?
In India, well, I mean, if you're talking about number of students, VIT has 4 campus and each, like in our campus, in our batch, there's 4,000 students.
4,000.
So
No doubt one of the best private engineering colleges.
Okay. What's the best thing about studying at VIT Chennai?
The thing about VIT is you meet people from all across the country, even though it's located far away from the
Diversity
city.
here is great, so you get to interact with people of different culture and stuff.
Okay.
And
Plus, good you can say that students get good opportunities here.
Okay.
The hackathons and all, in respect to their career.
Okay. Okay. So in VIT facilities, placement and education, for fees you pay?
The fees is too much.
Too much.
It's a private engineering college, plus the fees depends on other factors also. That how much you have scored in the entrance exam, because it has categories of fees.
Okay.
So if you have scored not good, you would have to pay more.
for the same degree.
Yeah, for the
same degree. So fees can be varied, but on the overall, if you're talking ROI on fees versus placements, it's not there. But that is the case in most engineering colleges in the country right now.
Okay.
So that's not that big of an issue. But yeah, overall it's fine. The campus, obviously it also depends on the campus. If you're from Vellore campus, it's more than twice the size.
Okay. So what's the average placement package in your department?
In our department, it is, I mean, it is reported between 8 and 9 every year. It is 8.3, I think, was the last I heard. Computer science. For computer science. Different branches, it's, for other branches, it's lower.
If your purpose is studying and actually doing something related to BTech, this is a good college.
Good college.
The student life here is not that great because it's obviously very strict. Everyone who's thinking about joining it, it's extremely strict. But
Extremely strict?
yeah,
Okay.
extremely strict. No doubt in that. The management is also very strict. Plus, there are many rules which you have to follow.
Okay.
So, come prepared. Plus, the education is good. The opportunities are good. So, overall, a good college.
Okay. So what's your advice for student who want to planning to join VIT?
If you do, joining VIT is not hard. If you do join, make sure you join computer science because if you want a job and try to get out of the hostel as fast as you can.
Yeah.
Just stay outside. It's actually not as expensive and also it is much better because
Okay.
it's too crammed inside. So stay outside and study CSE only.
If you are watching this, you would be dying for this, I got. Telling you, you'll get this later.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your day. ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கண்டினியூ பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி எஸ்ஆர்எம், பிஏடி, அமிதா, எஸ்எஸ்என் மாதிரியான யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் உங்களுக்கு அட்மிஷன் வேணும். அட்மிஷன் ரிலேட்டடான என்கொயரி அண்ட் கைடன்ஸ்க்கு நீங்கள் இது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் ஆல் ஓவர் இந்தியாவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ப்ரைவேட் யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் உங்களுக்கு அட்மிஷன் வேணால் யூனிசாய்ஸ் நம்பர் மட்டும் நீங்கள் ஆர்டர் பண்ணால் அவங்களே உங்களுக்கு பர்சனலைஸாக ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவாங்க. யூனிசாய்ஸ் டாட் அப்ளிகேஷன் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்குது, செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். அட்மிஷன் ரிலேட்டடான என்கொயரிக்கு ஸ்க்ரீனில் தர இந்த நம்பரை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ இப்போ வீடியோ கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம்.
The BTech degree from VIT Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I am from Rajasthan.
I am pursuing BTech degree in ACM and I am from Rohtak, Haryana.
Okay, so are you final years? Third year, pre-final year.
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all, why did you choose VIT Chennai?
VIT is I have just seen the NRF ranking, all those placements.
Okay.
The placements are pretty good. You can rely on that.
Okay.
And I may say that if you have the better option, you can go, but the placements are fine.
Yeah, this is the only reason that the maximum amount of company comes in 1 year, like around 1,000 companies reach VIT every year to get placement. So almost 100% placement is there in VIT. That's the reason.
So getting to VIT is easy or tough?
No, if you are preparing for JEE, then it's pretty easy. If you are not preparing for JEE, then I might don't know about that.
Yeah, bro, like almost same thing. That
Okay. So what's the best thing you like about VIT Chennai?
The rule and regulation are pretty fine. They are just make the student in discipline form so that the student cannot cross their limits, or they can be in the finite region so that they can improve their skills. They are giving much more opportunities for research paper also, so that easily you can do better in research areas.
Okay. So what about teaching and faculty?
large amount of faculty and lab infrastructure is there.
Okay.
So student can explore maximum things, and teachers are also supportive and helpful.
So how is the overall environment here?
Overall environment I can say is one word is there, conservative. Like you have to study only.
Okay.
One thing matter is GPA only in VIT.
CGPA.
CGPA. Yeah.
So if you are comfortable, what's your current CGPA?
Current CGPA bro 8 bro.
8.6 bro.
8.6. Okay. Is there any pressure through faculty or peer groups?
Like in beginning there is no pressure, but somehow if you get any backlog in any subject, then it can be do you feel like there is a pressure.
Okay. So how is the syllabus is more theory related or oriented to practical?
I can say 50-50 bro. Same, like lab hours is also same and theory is also same bro.
Okay. How much you pay fees every year?
Bro, there are 5 categories are there in
Okay.
VIT. Category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's the minimum fees and what's the maximum fees?
Minimum fees is bro 2 lakh per annum.
2 lakh per annum. Okay. 1 lakh
2
9.
lakh.
Okay.
And
Maximum?
max is 5,30,000.
Depends upon the ranking. If the ranking which you get in VIT triple exam. According to my view, it is not worthy. You can, if you want to pursue BTech and higher studies, then you can take admission in normal college like 1 lakh per annum fees. And after that, you can study higher. That this amount can be used later on.
Okay.
That is the good option.
Okay. So what's your advice for future students who want to planning to join VIT?
VIT,
Yeah.
like if you are getting no option, like you are not getting admission in NIT or IIT, then VIT is considered to be best.
Okay.
If you are not getting in government college, then VIT is best.
Okay, bro. Bro, what's your advice for future student who want to planning to join VIT?
No, if you are from, I say that if you are up to the category 3, it's the best choice to take that. But if you are more than, because I say that 20 lakh for fee is not that to be the good. But if to say third category, they are providing much more research. Many companies are going to place coming here for placements, so you can rely on that.
Okay. So what's the average placement package like your department?
I'm from electronics, so this time average is 9.08 lakh.
Okay. Same 9.8.
Yeah, 9.8 bro, yeah.
Okay. So what's the one thing you want to change or improve VIT Chennai?
No, I not say that much that I have changed or that, but I think the grading system must be that. That is only.
Okay. So what's the one unique thing about VIT Chennai that outside people don't know about VIT?
One unique thing is bro that amount of opportunities in terms of placement VIT provide is but like it is not comparable with other private colleges.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the different thing about it.
Thank you. வீட்டில் யாரும் ஜாயின் பண்ண நினைக்கிறாங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். வீட்டில் படிச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுடைய ஒப்பீனியன் உங்களுடைய ஃபீட்பேக்கையும் கமெண்ட்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள்.